Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use a Chrome PDF extension to view, manage, and work with PDF files directly in your Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store, then click the search bar and search for PDF extension. You will find several options like PDF viewer, save as PDF. Now choose the extension you want to use and click the I want to use this PDF viewer. Then click on add to Chrome and then add extension. Now here you will see the extension is installed successfully. Mark it as pin. Now open any PDF file in Chrome depending on the extension you installed. So we are going to files and then select file, right click on it, then click on open to open this file. Now here you will see click on allow access to files, then click on choose file and then select the file. I want to select this file, then click on open and then again OK. It will open the PDF file for you. You can highlight the text with the help of highlighter, add text or change the font color. Also change the font size according to your need. If you have blank page, you can draw anything you want. Add or edit images. With the help of this, you can add images in your PDF file, then print the file and export or save as. Here you will see presentation mode, current page, all the settings under this extension. And that's it. That's how you can use a Chrome PDF extension to handle PDF files more efficiently right from your browser. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.